Today we're going to be driving our X-MAXX again, but we have a few little upgrades we did. We put in a little first-person camera. This is a Runcam Racer 3 Nano, I think. It has little supports and braces in there we put for it. We have Velcro back here for our battery, and we have a Runcam TX200U something or other transmitter for it, or VTX for it. So we also added this support here we put on this is actually this same piece here that goes and supports the body. We just bought an extra one of them. This part right here is actually the back part we put onto the front. We cut the front part off, put it on backwards, and then that supports the whole thing and protects the camera in case it rolls over. We also put a little GoPro mount on the back for clearer footage, because when we're doing the first person thing, when it's sending the video through the air on the VTX, it kind of gets a little staticky. So we're going to show a little bit of that footage, but we're also going to get some cool we're going to try to get some cool GoPro footage on here too. So we're going to give this thing a ride and have some fun. All right, we got the GoPro for this thing. We got the first person camera for it. Get this all turned on. Plug your battery in. Now turn on our VTX. There we go. Okay, we got a signal. But we also want to hook this one up, because this one will record. Alright. Oops, that takes a picture. There we go, this one's recording. I'm going to put it around the midway point. Let's hook our GoPro up. See what type of shot we got. That looks pretty cool. Okay, it's recording. GoPro is recording. The first person camera is recording. Take it easy because I got a lot more weight on top of it than normal. Yeah, pretty decent range with my FPV camera though. I'm pretty happy with that. Oops. Crash through with my real truck. Let's see if the GoPro got messed up. I think I see it on the back of there still. It definitely got messed up though. Oh boy. Oh, we didn't break our mount for it. That's good. There we go. Looks like we're recording. All right. Going easy and I still do stupid crap. Okay. Somehow this snapped out of here, but we didn't break anything, it don't look like. That seems like a miracle. Did it break the camera? Uh-oh. I think it might have broke the camera. Oh no. That battery was getting low. Alright, we may have a casualty. It might be a GoPro. I really hope not, but we broke our mount too. Fuck. Okay. This one's off for now. Let's have some fun with what we have. Still got our first person camera running great. And it looks like the mount for the GoPro is still good. Oh, Lily. Dang it. Looks like the mount for the GoPro is still good on the RC car. It's just I broke the mount on the case. Maybe the camera itself, although I'm hoping it's just the battery's dead. The battery was starting to go. Looks like our antenna is holding up really nice too. That's another concern I had. That's a bear can. That's a big heavy ass bear can that thing knocked over. Holy crap. What's tougher, a fucking can that can withstand bear attacks or a Traxxas MAXX? Apparently Traxxas MAXX wins. Wow. Like our camera went. That battery didn't last as long as the last one did. It did seem like it was working fine, so hopefully the camera's still okay. It's just the battery issue. Our max battery is starting to go. Yeah. Okay, I had a lot of fun. We got to get this thing inside and cleaned up though. It's really muddy and dirty, but all our little extra supports held up well. Our first person camera held up well. Our little bracket mount we put in for our GoPro held up pretty good. The GoPro didn't hold up so great. I'm hoping the battery just got beat up on that last crash because it didn't turn back on, but I think it's just the battery. I hope it's okay. But everything else turned out really good. I even crashed into the bear can. It's a bear-proof trash can with the Traxxas, and if you ever want to know what's tougher, a bear-proof can, literally designed to withstand the attacks of a bear or a Traxxas MAXX. Well, the Traxxas MAXX knocked the bear can down and kept driving, and the bear can was on the ground, so... This thing is tough, this thing is fun, and now that I put this FPV camera on it, it is 100 times more fun. I love this thing so much. We're going to get it inside, get it cleaned up. I'm afraid I might have already kind of ruined my tires because I got in a little bit of moisture. I never put no tape on those holes, so my tires might already be screwed, but we were going to plan on replacing them anyway, so we're going to get this cleaned up, get this video edited, and there's going to be a lot more videos to come soon, so like and subscribe, and we'll see you all again next time. Y'all. I said y'all. Did you hear that? We'll see y'all again next time. Yeah!